So we're going back in time. We're still in the British bike industry here when Norton really ruled the scene, and this looks like a lovely example. Ken, come and join us. Now you're not a newcomer to the paddock, and you've always got something interesting to show us, and this is no exception. I don't think I've seen this one before. Tell us a bit.
Certainly been here before. It's a 1962 spec, 500 Manx Norton, so it's running on 86 bore and stroke, as opposed to nowadays we get a bit shorter stroke, which means it doesn't rev as high. So it's beaten fairly regularly by the quick boys on the short strokes. I ride it generally with the CRMC. Jamie Whittam rode it in 2005 at the Goodwood Revival and set the fastest lap on it, although he didn't actually win the double race that weekend. I've had it probably for 7 or 8 years. It's not expensive to maintain as long as you get it done properly. Very little has ever gone wrong with it. I have somebody maintaining it for him, a chap called Stuart Tong, absolutely spot on, one of the top people in the country for it, and he does really well with it. I race it mainly with the Lansdowne, although I'm with the Classic Racing Club this weekend. I have raced it with the Classic Racing Club, but it's against the short strokes. So not really competitive, not with me on it anyway, and I don't like being lapped 3 times in a race. Yeah.
Well, let's hear this lovely bike, and I'll keep my ears open for it up at East Fortune at the Bob Mac next year. Thanks a lot. This is probably one of the most historic sounds. If you look at old videos on YouTube or whatever, or Duke videos, and you see these bikes being raced, the Manx Nortons and the G50s. Lovely, Ken, thank you for that lovely big single noise, and it looks resplendent in the sunshine.